Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Gen XS 2025 Carnival season officially launched. Over the weekend, the popular Miami-based carnival Gen XS, along with host Trinidad soca artist Young Brother, gave specially invited guests at the transformed Hyundai showroom the first look at Gen XS 2025.
Jamaican culture is very fascinating and it's very big on the Young Brother Entertainment and Optimus production team. So, as we proceed and we outside mixes, we always play dancehall music and try to blend them with the soca and, culture.
With costumes nearly 100% sold out, managing director Marla Morrison gave us a sneak peek into this year's staging, which sees a special guest performer, Kez the Band.
We have a new distribution location, we have a new lunch spot location, we have new amenities on the road, perks, afternoon perks. We also have artists coming on the road for performances with us again. So I just think the masqueraders are going to have a great time.
While sponsors Smirnoff and KFC added their excitement on being part of the band.
The Gen X experience is the best premium carnival experience in Jamaica and in Miami. We actually checked it out 2 years ago. We went up and before we worked with them, we saw what they were doing and we were really happy to partner with them.
Glad to be a part of the partnership, bringing fantastic artists, fantastic events, a great Juve experience, and of course a fantastic road experience.
Gen XS Carnival officially marked its expansion into Trinidad Carnival 2024 through a partnership with the largest Trinidadian carnival band, Tribe. Gen XS in Jamaica will revel under the theme Kingdom of the Sun. Gen XS believes that Jamaica has the infrastructure to deliver one of the best carnivals in the world, with the local carnival season seeing revenue in the billions. Carrie-Ann Greenwood sets a sight on mental health advocacy after Miss Global success. The recently crowned first runner-up at the Miss Global 2025 competition returned to Jamaica after representing the island on the global stage in Thailand. Now, she's focused on her Ferguson Foundation and is ready to make a difference in the fight against mental health issues. Greenwood, who also holds the title of Miss Universe Jamaica East 2024, shared with E-Prime that after her return, she had a courtesy meeting with Minister of Finance and the Public Service Favour Williams to discuss her charity's mission.
Naturally, when a person goes to have treatment done, when they get out, the likelihood of them relapsing into the situation is very strong. It's very likely. So I want to be able to put an end to that cycle to really help them to regain who they once were or become a newfound member into society again. My mom got sick when I was 9 years old. So she was schizophrenic and she was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Within the same period, we found out. Not only that, my dad passed as well in 2023, and that was one of the worst periods of my life. I was depressed. I don't want to cry. I feel like I will cry. But I went through a period, 3 months of just being depressed. And can we stop, please?
When we spoke with Greenwood last week, it was the day after the anniversary of the death of her father, and the emotions are still fresh for her. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.